Got soft soils? Today we're going to show you how fast and easy Tensar Geogrid can be installed to make this site and yours a stable foundation for your project. Welcome to Beneath the Build. I'm Brian G. with Tensar. First, you need to prep the subgrade. You don't have to dry it out or chemically treat it. You don't have to waste days hoping the weather cooperates. Just knock down the big vegetation. You can leave the root mat in place if it's really wet and get close to your finished subgrade elevation. Next, you roll out the Geogrid. One crew, easy. Carry the rolls out, roll them out. Fast, efficient, no specialty tools. As you roll out the grid, make sure the overlap is correct for the strength of your subgrade. Hold it in place with a few shovelfuls of aggregate or maybe some pins. Now it's time to place your aggregate. Back dump it on the grid, push it out with a light dozer, track it in, and then roll it without vibration. You can build right over saturated soils. Once the aggregate is placed and tracked in, you can compact more if necessary. You're going to be using less aggregate, fewer truck trips, and it will keep you on schedule. Tensar Geogrid gives you confidence from the ground up. Faster installs, better performance, proven savings. Visit the link on screen to learn more about how Tensar Geogrid can help you and your project.